Most people in this category spend weeks researching and still end up with regret. Not because they made the wrong choice, because nobody told them what actually matters. This review is going to be different. I'm going to tell you the things most reviewers skip. You have probably read the spec sheets. You have seen the star ratings. And you are still not sure. That uncertainty is not a you problem. It is a signal that most reviews are written by people who spent 45 minutes with a product, not 45 days. The question you are really asking is not what this product does. The question is whether it is going to actually change anything for you. That is the question I am going to answer. I tracked this product through multiple price cycles before sitting down to record this. I compared it against the alternatives that serious buyers in this category actually consider, and I looked at what happens after the purchase, not just before. The Ninja Kitchen System, all-in-one food processor, and blender for smoothies includes Pitcher 2160S. To-go cups and 8-cup bowl. Makes salsa, dough, shakes, and frozen drinks. 1500W. Black BL770 earns its place by doing something specific very well. That something starts with, about this item all-in-one kitchen system, blend, chop, crush, and more in this powerhouse blender and food processor combo. Powerful motor 1500-WATT motor base to crush ice, blend frozen fruit, and power through tough ingredients with the 2-horsepower motor, designed for professional results. 720's. Pitcher, ideal for large batches and entertaining. Features total crushing blades that crush ice to snow in seconds, and powers through tough ingredients. 64's. Max liquid capacity. Food processing. 8-cup food processing bowl delivers consistent, even vegetable chopping, pureeing, and mixing. Includes a dedicated chopping blade, plus dough blade, capable of mixing up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. Of the go convenience, includes 2 16's. Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids, perfect for personalized shakes and smoothies. Versatile functions. Choose from 4 functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve that best fits your recipe and meal prep needs. Ninja Blades System. 4 unique blades optimized for every task. From total crushing blades for XL blending to pro extractor blades for on-the-go and chopping and dough blades for the processor bowl. What's included? 1500-WATT motor base 72's. Total crushing pitcher, stacked blade assembly 2160's. Nutri Ninja cups with spout lids, pro extractor blades assembly. 8-cup precision processor bowl, chopping blade, dough blade. Care instruction: use a damp cloth to wipe the motor base clean. The cups, bowls, blades, attachments, and lids are dishwasher safe. It is recommended to put these pieces on the top rack. Use extreme caution when cleaning and handling the blades. Show more. See more product details. What that means in your day-to-day is that you stop compensating for what your last product got wrong. The second thing worth paying attention to is the Ninja Mega Kitchen System comes packed with 1500 watts of power to handle all of your drink and meal making needs. The XL 72 ounces. Blender Pitcher features total crushing technology to blast through ice and frozen fruit. 2 16 ounces. Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids are perfect for creating personalized, nutrient-rich drinks to take on the go. The 8-cup food processor bowl comes equipped with a chopping blade for perfect, even results, and a dough blade that can mix up to 2 pounds of dough in 30 seconds. Care instruction: use a damp cloth to wipe the motor base clean. The cups, bowls, blades, attachments, and lids are dishwasher safe. It is recommended to put these pieces on the top rack. Use extreme caution when cleaning and handling the blades. Always store blades in containers or safe area. Use extreme caution when cleaning and handling the blades. Always store blades in containers or safe area, not in a test environment, in the situations where you actually need it to perform. That difference shows up in ways that are hard to quantify on a spec sheet. The third element is product information item. Details brand name Ninja, included components 2160's. Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids, 1500-WATT motor base, 72 O's. Total crushing pitcher, 8-cup food processor bowl. Dough blade, inspiration guide, instruction book, quick start guide, recommended uses for product blending, chopping warranty description, EuroPro 1 year, 1 limited warranty UPC 623-565-324-19-02-269-11048-67 Global Trade, identification number 006-223-565-324-19-206-223-565-32413. Manufacturer Shark Ninja, part number BL770, model number BL77, item type name Mega Kitchen System, 1500W, 72 ounces. Full-size blender. To-go cups, total crushing technology smoothies, ice crushing, purees, dough and more, black unit count 1 count best sellers. Reg 431 in kitchen and dining C-top. If you have ever replaced something ahead of schedule because it stopped holding up, you already understand why this matters more than any single feature. The feedback pattern on this model is unusual in one specific way. Buyers who come in skeptical end up leaving the same reviews as the people who were already excited. That kind of convergence across different buyer types is not something you see often. It tells you something real about consistency of experience. There is one limitation I want you to know before you decide: a price that reflects real value. Not everyone will weigh that the same way, and I understand that. If that specific thing is a deal breaker for your situation, I respect that completely. But for the majority of buyers who are looking at this product, the overall trade-off still lands clearly on the right side. Pricing on this model has not been stable. I have watched it move enough times that I would not trust any number I write here today. The figure you see right now is not what I saw a month ago. Sometimes that movement is upward. Sometimes it is a significant discount. The only way to know which side you are on right now is to check the live link. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.